Our story begins with paper. Paper, as a medium, unlocks an artistic journey expressed through the colors of stationery. Starting with the spirit of craftsmanship, it records the pulse of creativity, while passion guides us to paint the beauty of life. Hefei Colorfly Stationery Company Limited is located in Hefei, China. As an export-oriented company, we specialize in the research, production, sales, and cross-border integration of stationery products. At present, we have around 300 staff. Our offerings include a wide range of paper goods, such as saddle-stitched exercise books, hardcover notebooks, spiral notebooks, register and composition books, as well as various school and office stationery, culture gift and sets, etc. We built 2 factories covering 30,000 square meters and have 2 Heidelberg full automatic intelligent printing machines, 12 full automatic stable binding machines, 3 punching machines, 1 full automatic glue binding machine, and different sporting equipment such as a sewing binding machine, lamination machine, fold machines, hardcover machines, die cutting machines, and so on. Since our founding in 2013, we have adhered to our corporate philosophy: customer first, service supreme, integrity and trustworthiness, sincerity and honesty, professional dedication, pursuit of excellence, unity and collaboration, creating the future together. Our vision is clear: empowering children worldwide to delight in stationery and embrace joyful learning experiences. Here at Colorfly, every product we develop and every carefully crafted stationery item embodies our meticulous attention to detail and pursuit of excellence. Through years of relentless innovation, we have secured multiple domestic and international trademarks and acquired over 30 invention patents. Our company has been recognized as Anhui Export Brand Enterprise, Anhui Cross-Border E-Commerce Top 10 Export Brand Enterprise, High Technology Enterprise, etc. These patents, certificates, and honors establish a solid foundation for our future growth. At Colorfly, we encourage imagination, unlocking endless possibilities through craftsmanship. Our commitment to innovation extends to our wide range of notebooks, stationery, and office supplies, bringing creativity to over 180 countries across Europe, Asia, the Americas, Africa, and the Middle East, delighting customers worldwide with fresh ideas and vibrant surprises. With a passion for color, we strive to create vibrant notebooks, colorful crayons, and markers that fuel dreams, an open world of limitless imagination. We have established a leading position in the stationery and notebook industries in China. Our products, recognized for their quality and reliability, are loved and trusted by customers around the globe. With high-quality products and attentive service, Colorfly has earned a strong reputation and vast opportunities for growth in the market. Continuously innovate and develop products, enhance our sustainable development strategy, and emerge as a front-runner in the stationery brand industry within the realms of international trade and cross-border commerce. Hefei Colorfly Stationery Company Limited will continue to write a bright future with innovation as our pen and quality as our aim.